blind in one eye, aren't you? See you later, little dude. I didn't get a really good angle on his hook set, but he wasn't going nowhere. That was a solid 2-pounder at least. There's another one right there by the boat. Oh! Little one, quick release, that's okay. So this pond doesn't really have any structure in it. It has these cattails or whatever you want to call them surrounding the whole thing with nothing else in here except for there's grass. And typically what I've found is if I can find some grass to rip this chatterbait through, or just any bait in general, I usually can try to find some fish like that. It's just a matter of finding the grass. The grass never changes in the pond, but some days they like it ripped out of the grass and some days they don't. I don't quite get it. I think a lot of it depends on which way the direction's blowing. Today's kind of calm, not really a whole lot of wind. Of course, when I'm over here, the wind changes directions. Now it's blowing off to the other side of me. Oh wow, I hit the water. A little bitty one. That hit the, I'm telling you, I didn't even reel it. And this little dude munched it. That was instantaneous. All right, we want your big sister, your big mama. Where's she at? There's one, little one, but one nonetheless. Another little one. Oh yeah, good flip, Steven. Oh shit, I got one. Wow. Well, I got lucky. That was solid dumb luck. Oh my goodness. Terrible pitch. And I got one off of it. Whoop, take that out of your nose there, buddy. Little 1 pounder. Take it. Wow, maybe I should go back and start pitching all this stuff. I've been fishing 6 feet outside of these weeds here. Maybe I should start throwing up in them a little bit more. Usually I do that and I never get bit. I never catch anything doing that. So I've just, stopped. Those little pockets maybe might have something in it. There's one. Bunch of little 1 pounders today. Come here, you little bastard. I don't know how many this is, maybe 4. They're all about the same size. Well, and they're not hitting it real hard either. They're just kind of sucking it in and then swimming off with it. Trying to be real nonchalant about it. Can't see it. There's so much grass in here, it's crazy. There's one. Boy, he didn't put up any fight. You were no fun, little man. Solid 2 pounder. 1.5, 2 pounds. He was out a little bit deeper. So much grass in here. Some parts there's nothing, and then other parts it's like several feet thick. Just nothing but grass. There's one. Oh, he hit it good. That might be a good one. Feels better. Don't jump. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh shit. Yeah, that's a good one. Don't come off there, baby. Don't you shake. Come here. Come here. Come see daddy. Yeah. That's what I came for. That's a good 4 pounder. Oh, she thumped it too. She might be more than that. She might go, I don't know, 4.5, 5 maybe. It's a heavy fish. Thick too, look how thick she is. Look at your belly, sweetie. Thick, healthy little fish. That's what I wanted to see right there. There's one. Another small one. Another small one. You had any luck? What are you throwing? Drop shot and chatterbait. Yeah. I either come here and I catch a lot of small ones, or I catch one big one. It's never in the middle. No kidding. How big were they? Wow. Wow. Where at in the pond? Really? I caught one on a drop shot maybe a month ago over there on that bank right here around the corner. I couldn't believe it. He hit it right when it hit the water, and he didn't fight, you know, at all. I just reeled him in. I got him in, and it was a crappie. I couldn't believe it. This right here's a really good little bank for just anything in general. Like, I don't know what it is, but the only moving bait that I've ever caught anything on there is a chatterbait. I've thrown crankbaits and spinnerbaits and anything you can reel in, and they just don't like it for some reason. If you got like a small swim bait or something, like I use Lake Fork Magic Shad, but like a Kitech or a little bitty 3-inch swim bait, stick it on the back of it, they love it. Yeah. You might not get a whole lot of bites some days, but the one that you do, it'll probably be pretty good. Or you'll come out here and you'll catch a bunch that are like 6 inches long. Yeah, I know, right? Alright guys, I don't know how many that was, but that 5-pounder was a nice icing on the cake. I mean, it's gonna be a 6-pounder by the end of tomorrow from all my stories.